NYGATS Training Certificate Transfers. In this video, we will cover how certificates can be transferred between two NYGATS accounts. Before a NYGATS user can initiate a certificate transfer in the NYGATS system, the following two things need to happen first. Number one, the user has an active account in NYGATS. Please refer to the account registration training documentation posted on the NYGATS informational website. Second, the NYGATS account holder has an active project with certificates issued or has previously received a transfer of certificates from another NYGATS account holder in the NYGATS system. Please refer to the project registration training documentation posted on the NYGATS informational website. Once you are ready to initiate a transfer, log into NYGATS and locate the account status module from your dashboard. Select the hyperlinked value next to active, which is a bit further down in this module under account activity. This will take you to a screen which allows you to select the various blocks of certificates that you have in your account. From this view, you will see that you have access to a number of different tabs, each of which represent a different sub-account type that you have in your account. If you have certificates in any of these sub-accounts, you will have the ability to initiate a transfer of those certificates to another NYGATS account holder, other than the retirement sub-accounts, as transfers out of the retirement sub-account is prohibited. Sticking with the active sub-account, locate the block or blocks of certificates that you would like to transfer from the left-hand column. Check each row that you would like included in the transfer to your counterparty. Once selected, if you want to edit the individual quantity of each block of certificates, you can do so. You will notice that as you add blocks and/or edit the quantity of each block, the number in the total quantity field above will update with each change. Once satisfied with your selections, select the Batch Transfer button. You will be taken to the Transfer Certificates screen. At the top of this screen will be a summary of the certificate blocks you have selected. Underneath this will be the various transfer options that you have. Since we are doing a transfer to a counterparty, we will select from the Another Account Holder option. Select the radio button on the form, and then select the counterparty from the drop-down. REC transfers to NYSERDA can be completed by selecting the NYSERDA Renewables option. Only RECs with maintenance, main tier, and RES funding designated in the project registration can be transferred to NYSERDA using the NYSERDA Renewables transfer option. All other certificates will display a warning that the certificates are not from a project with an eligible NYSERDA contract. Transfers using the NYSERDA Renewables option will be deposited directly into the NYSERDA Renewables subaccount. If you are unable to locate your counterparty in the drop-down, it could mean one of the following. One, your counterparty does not have an active account in NYGATS, or two, your counterparty may have a different account name for the purposes of the transfer. In either case, please reach out to both the NYSERDA administrator and your counterparty to inquire. Once you have located your counterparty, select them from the drop-down and then select the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. You will be prompted to confirm the transfer request in order for the action to be completed. Once you select OK, you will be taken back to the Certificates in Subaccount page. At this point, the NYGATS system will have initiated an email notification to you and your counterparty. From here, you can confirm for yourself that the transfer has been initiated by viewing your outbox. Return to the dashboard and find your Outbox module, generally located on the left-hand side of the screen. The Outbox allows you to review transfers that are pending acceptance by your counterparty. Selecting the hyperlinked quantity from the Outbox will display the detailed eligibility information about the pending REC transfer and provide a withdrawal hyperlink that can be used to cancel the transfer. If the transfer is not accepted by the transferee within 14 days, the transfer will be redeposited into the transferor's account. If you were able to view your counterparty's account, you would see a similar view, except that it would be found in their inbox. From here, if you need to withdraw the transaction, you could simply select Withdraw next to any block that you would like to withdraw, or select the boxes and select Withdraw selected. Otherwise, the transfer will remain pending until your counterparty has confirmed the transfer. If you are the recipient of the transfer and you are watching this video to learn how to confirm a transfer, then please do the following. Locate your inbox. And the pending incoming transfers that you would like to confirm. Select the boxes next to each block of certificates. And select the Accept Selected option. From here, you will be prompted to choose a destination subaccount for the certificates to be deposited. Once selected, confirm the choice and complete the transfer. At this point, email notifications will be sent to both yourself and your counterparty, and your certificates will be moved to the active subaccount you selected. You can confirm the deposit by viewing the certificates in your active subaccount via the Account Activity module. Additional information on the topics covered in this training or any other questions you have about how to use your NYGATS account can be found in the NYGATS operating procedure. Additional questions can be submitted to the NYGATS administrator at nygats@apx.com or by phone at 408-643-0167.